Hello learners, today we are going to see the second part of topic antitubercular drugs or antitubercular agents. We have already studied in the presentation before, that is antitubercular agents part first, that what is TB, what are these antitubercular agents, and the treatment which is used for the treatment of antitubercular agent. So in this presentation we are going to see and study these drugs that are used to treat tuberculosis. So learning outcomes of this presentation are: the learner will be able to describe different antitubercular agents. The learner will also be able to select the appropriate drug for the treatment of tuberculosis. The content of this presentation are: in this presentation we are going to study the classification of antitubercular agents, and also we are going to see few of the drugs like isoniazid, para-aminosalicylic acid and so on in detail with respect to their physical properties, its storage conditions, uses, brand names and so on. So firstly, let us revise what are antitubercular agents. So definition: antitubercular agents are the chemical substances or drugs which are used in treatment of tuberculosis. Classification: as we have studied, these antitubercular agents are classified into three types, that is first line agents, second line agents and third line agents. These first line agents are classified into chemotherapeutic agents and antibiotics. So the example of chemotherapeutic agent includes isoniazid, that is INH, pyrazinamide and ethambutol, whereas the antibiotics include streptomycin and rifampicin. The chemotherapeutic agent and antibiotics included in second line agents are ethionamide and para-aminosalicylic acid, that is PAS, and cycloserine and kanamycin respectively. The clarithromycin, thioacetazone and vitamin D are third line agent. So now let's see the examples in detail. So first example that we are going to study is isoniazid. Synonyms for isoniazid are INH, isonicotinic acid hydrazide, isonicotinohydrazide, isonicotinyl hydrazide. It is known by its IUPAC name pyridine 4-carbohydrazide. Then isoniazid, it is colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, mainly odorless and has a sweet taste followed by bitter taste. It is soluble in water and it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Isoniazid is used in treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. It is also used in treatment of extrapulmonary lesions including meningeal and genitourinary infections. It is also used in treatment of lupus vulgaris, that is skin tuberculosis. It is known by official preparations as isoniazid IP and isoniazid tablet IP. The different brand names for isoniazid are nidrazid injection, isoniazid tablet, isotamine, lanizide, Solanex and Rifina 150. These are the different brand names for isoniazid. Now the second example is para-amino-salicylic acid, which is also called as PAS. So here is the structure of para-amino-salicylic acid. So the IUPAC name for PAS is 4-amino-2-hydroxybenzoic acid. PAS is a white or yellowish white crystals which are odorless and has slightly acidic taste. This PAS, it is slightly soluble in water and it is soluble in alkali and dilute nitric acids. PAS is also stored in tightly closed light resistant containers and is mainly used in treatment of tuberculosis. It is known by the brand name as Passer. Next example is streptomycin. So streptomycin, as mentioned here, it is a white powder, either odorless or has a slight odor, and its taste is slightly bitter. It is soluble, very soluble in water and sparingly soluble in alcohol. Streptomycin is stored in well-closed containers and protected from moisture, and it is stored at temperature not more than 30 degrees Celsius. Uses of streptomycin are as follows. First use, it is used orally to treat intestinal infection of large intestine. Second, it is used intramuscularly to treat all the forms of tuberculosis. Third use, it is used sometimes intrathecally, that is within the tissues, to treat tubercular meningitis. Fourth, it is used to treat non-tubercular infections like peritonitis. Streptomycin sulfate IP and streptomycin tablet IP are the official preparations of streptomycin. In market, it is known as pan-streptomycin, streptomycin nil, streptomycin, streptomycin pan-pharma, streptofenicol, streptro and enterostrep. Next, fourth example is rifampicin. Rifampicin is a brick red or reddish brown crystalline powder which is odorless. It is also very slightly soluble in water and alcohol and soluble in chloroform. Rifampicin is mainly stored in light resistant containers in the atmosphere of nitrogen at temperature not exceeding 15 degrees Celsius. Uses, it is used in treatment of tuberculosis. It is used to treat biliary infection and used in treatment of meningitis. It is known by the brand names as 3FD, 4D, 4D+, rifampicin Laptec 600 mg, ABF3, Accurate and Afracin. Fifth example is ethionamide. The physical properties of ethionamide are: its color, it is bright yellow crystalline powder. It has a slight odor and unpleasant sulfurous taste. It is practically insoluble in water. Storage condition for ethionamide is: it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Ethionamide is also used to treat pulmonary tuberculosis. It is known by the different brand names like Tricator, SC, Ethiomid, Ethiocar and Ethite. Next example which we are going to study is ethambutol. Here it is the structure of ethambutol. The IUPAC name for ethambutol is N-bis 1-hydroxy methylpropyl ethylene diamine. It is white crystalline powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in water. Ethambutol is also stored in tightly closed containers and is used in treatment of tuberculosis. Ethambutol tablet IP, ethambutol hydrochloride IP are the different official preparations of ethambutol. Now it is known by the brand names as Mambutol, Albutol and Accurate. Next example is thioestazone. Synonym for thioestazone is thiaestazone. It has pale yellow crystals or crystalline powder and odorless. It is very slightly soluble in water, and the storage condition for thioestazone is it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: thioestazone is used to treat tuberculosis and leprosy. Thioestazone IP and thioestazone and isoniazid IP are the different official preparations of thioestazone. It is known by the brand names as Cetazid, Cetazone and Thiazid. Next example is cycloserine, which is also known as ceromycin. Cycloserine is a white or pale yellow crystalline powder which is odorless and has slightly bitter taste. It is soluble in water. Storage condition for cycloserine is it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. It is used to treat pulmonary tuberculosis. It is also used as antibacterial agent and it is used to treat urinary tract infection. It is known by the brand names as Cyclorine, Cycloserine and Cycloserine King. Next example is pyrazinamide. The pyrazinamide is known by its IUPAC name as pyrazine 2-carboxamide. It is a white crystalline powder, odorless and has a slight bitter taste. It is sparingly soluble in water and soluble in ether and chloroform. It is stored in tightly closed containers and used in the treatment of TB. Its official preparation is pyrazinamide IP. The brand names of pyrazinamide are Rifater, Dexona, Decdan, Ciplox D, Dexvi, Dexona DPS, Pyricot and Dexona. So here we have concluded the different anti-leprotic drugs. Thank you.